On December 17, 1903, two brothers from Ohio changed the world. Wilbur and Orville Wright made the first successful airplane flight. Their invention, the Wright Flyer, took to the skies in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. This moment marked the beginning of human flight. The Wright brothers' dream inspired the world. The Wright Flyer was a biplane. This means it had two sets of wings. It was made of wood and fabric. The plane was powered by a small engine. The first flight lasted only 12 seconds. The Flyer traveled just 120 feet. But it was a giant leap for mankind. The Wright brothers were not just inventors, they were also skilled engineers. They spent years studying birds. They learned how wings create lift. They experimented with different designs. Their dedication and hard work paved the way for the future of aviation. The news of their success spread quickly. People were amazed by the idea of flying. The Wright brothers became international heroes. Their invention sparked a revolution in transportation. It opened up a new frontier for exploration and discovery. The early 20th century saw rapid advancements in aircraft technology. World War I played a significant role in this progress. Military demands pushed engineers to create faster and more powerful planes. Aircraft were initially used for reconnaissance. They could see enemy positions from the air. Soon, planes were equipped with weapons. Dogfights became a common sight in the skies. Pilots like Manfred von Richthofen, the Red Baron, became legends. Aircraft technology advanced at a rapid pace. Planes became more maneuverable and deadly. The war's end saw a surplus of planes and pilots. This led to the development of commercial aviation. Former military pilots looked for new opportunities. They used their skills to transport mail and passengers. The first commercial airlines began to emerge. Aviation was becoming accessible to the public. The war also saw the development of new aircraft technologies. Metal began to replace wood in aircraft construction. Engines became more powerful and reliable. These advancements paved the way for the future of air travel. After World War I, aviation transitioned to peacetime purposes. This era saw the growth of passenger airlines. People were eager to experience the wonder of flight. Early airlines faced many challenges. Planes were still unreliable. Weather forecasting was in its infancy. Despite these obstacles, aviation progressed. Companies like Pan American World Airways or Pan Am emerged. They connected continents with scheduled flights. The world was shrinking. The romance of air travel was born. Technological advancements continued. The invention of the jet engine revolutionized aviation. Planes could now fly much faster and higher. The first commercial jet airliner, the de Havilland Comet, took to the skies in 1952. This marked the beginning of the jet age. Air travel became more accessible and affordable. It opened up new possibilities for business and leisure. People could now travel the world with ease. Aviation was truly connecting the globe. The introduction of jet engines in the mid-20th century revolutionized air travel. Planes became significantly faster. Travel times were slashed. The world seemed to shrink. The jet engine allowed for higher altitudes. This meant smoother flights above most weather disturbances. The Boeing 707, introduced in 1958, became an icon of the jet age. This revolutionary aircraft could carry more passengers. It was also more fuel efficient than its predecessors. This made air travel more accessible to the masses. With larger planes came the need for bigger airports. Governments invested in infrastructure, runways were extended, terminals were expanded. The growth of air travel spurred economic development around the world. The jet engine also had a profound impact on the military. Jet fighters became the norm. They could fly at supersonic speeds. The Cold War fueled a race for technological superiority. This led to further advancements in aviation technology. Section 5. Giants of the Sky: Boeing and Airbus Takeoff. Two companies emerged as giants in the world of aviation: Boeing and Airbus. Boeing, founded in 1916, had a long history of innovation. It had played a key role in the development of the B-17 bomber during World War II. Airbus, formed in 1970, was a consortium of European aerospace companies. These two companies engaged in a fierce rivalry. They constantly pushed the boundaries of aircraft design. Boeing's 747 jumbo jet, nicknamed the Queen of the Skies, became a symbol of mass air travel. Airbus responded with the A380, the world's largest passenger airliner. The competition between Boeing and Airbus drove innovation. They developed new technologies to improve fuel efficiency, range, and passenger capacity. The rivalry benefited passengers with more comfortable and affordable air travel options. Today, Boeing and Airbus continue to dominate the commercial aircraft market. They are constantly innovating and competing to build the next generation of aircraft. Section 6. Safety first. Engineering marvels in the air. Safety has always been paramount in aviation. Over the decades, countless advancements have made flying incredibly safe. Aircraft design incorporates multiple layers of redundancy. This means that if one system fails, there are backups in place. Modern aircraft undergo rigorous testing and certification processes. Pilots receive extensive training in flight simulators. Air traffic control systems monitor aircraft in real time. Safety regulations are constantly updated to address emerging challenges. The development of radar technology revolutionized air traffic control. It allowed controllers to track aircraft in all weather conditions. This significantly reduced the risk of collisions. Innovations like ground proximity warning systems or GPWS further enhance safety. Despite these advancements, accidents still happen. However, the aviation industry learns from every incident. Investigations are conducted to determine the cause of accidents. Safety protocols are updated accordingly. The pursuit of safer skies is an ongoing endeavor. Section 7. Efficiency in the skies, from propellers to sustainability. From the early days of aviation, engineers have strived to make aircraft more efficient. Early planes were fuel-hungry, they had a limited range. Over time, improvements in engine design and aerodynamics have led to significant gains in fuel efficiency. The introduction of turboprop engines in the mid-20th century was a major step forward. These engines combined the efficiency of a propeller with the power of a turbine. This made them ideal for regional air travel. Modern jet engines are marvels of engineering. They are designed to operate at optimal efficiency, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The quest for sustainability is driving new innovations in aircraft design. Manufacturers are exploring lightweight materials like composites. They are developing new engine technologies, including hybrid electric propulsion systems. Airlines are also implementing operational practices to reduce their environmental impact. This includes optimizing flight routes and reducing weight on board. The future of aviation is sustainable and environmentally responsible. Section 8. Modern aviation, supersonic dreams and beyond. The dawn of the 21st century has seen a resurgence of interest in supersonic flight. After the retirement of the Concorde in 2003, there was a void in the market for supersonic passenger travel. Several companies are now developing new supersonic jets. These aircraft promise to cut travel times significantly. Imagine flying from New York to London in just a few hours. However, supersonic flight faces challenges. Sonic booms created when an aircraft breaks the sound barrier can be disruptive on the ground. Fuel efficiency is also a concern. Beyond supersonic, the future of aviation may lie in hypersonic flight. Hypersonic aircraft could travel at 5 times the speed of sound or faster. This would open up possibilities for rapid point-to-point travel around the globe. The development of hypersonic technology faces significant technical hurdles. These include extreme heat and pressure at such speeds. However, research and development in this area continue to advance. Section 9. The future of flight innovation takes off. The future of aviation is full of exciting possibilities. Advancements in technology are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From electric planes to autonomous flight, the next generation of aircraft promises to be revolutionary. Electric aircraft are already taking to the skies. While still in their early stages, they offer the potential for quieter and more environmentally friendly air travel. Battery technology is rapidly improving, extending the range and capabilities of these aircraft. Autonomous flight is another area of intense research and development. While it may seem like science fiction, self-flying planes could become a reality in the not-too-distant future. This technology could revolutionize air travel, making it safer and more efficient. The sky is no longer the limit when it comes to aviation. From the Wright Brothers' first flight to today's advanced aircraft, innovation has always been at the heart of this industry. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the journey of flight is far from over.